Hello, guys, and welcome to JND. Today, we're going to be talking about this 3.5 millimeter to dual RCA cable. This gold plated copper shell is the perfect way to connect your 3.5 millimeter female to two RCA male stereo audio adapters for quick and efficient sound. This quality audio cable is perfect for professional and home applications, from music production to gaming. And with no soldering required, installation is super easy, plug and play, and good to go. So don't wait. Get the JND 3.5 millimeter female to dual RCA male cable today and give your audio the crisp sound quality it deserves. Thanks for watching and happy listening.